gosh. Okay. I specifically like this brand a lot. So this is a Fawn Design unboxing video. So, whoa. First bag is the Carryall. Look at, check that out. So we're gonna do this one first. Yay! So this is the new tan Carryall. So it's actually a new one. This is like the first time they've done this. Oh my gosh, and look, he just slides right out of that. Oh my gosh, do you love it? I absolutely love the color. Okay, so the Fawn Design Carryall. This is the first time they've done like a tote that isn't like the slouchy. It's medium sized. But I was wanting a large size because of course if you watch any of my videos you know that I take my laptop everywhere, or at least I did when I could go places. I've been struggling not being able to go to public places. So I buy these bags because I have so many things going on at once and I need hence I have a lot of crazy, so a lot of bags. But Fawn Design Carryall tote, oh my god, isn't it beautiful? Check that out. Oh, the color is gorgeous. It's in between the brown and the honey. If you're familiar with Fawn Design colors, it is more like a mustardy brown. It's a lot lighter than the brown. It's not as orange, I don't think. It's more of a yellow tone. Oh, it's beautiful. So it comes with the two handles. I guess the handles are a little different than I expected. I don't know why I thought they'd be a lot bigger, so I'm gonna have to pull that off. Yes, do you love it? So it didn't come with a tag like the other ones did, and I'm surprised. Here's a back pocket. Oh, it looks perfect for my cell phone. Oh, check that out. Oh, I love her pockets. Oh my gosh, I can feel my whole hand in there. I'm loving this bag. Oh, I like it. Oh, and it's lined. Oh, I love it. Okay, and so a zipper. So I'm big on, I love totes. I don't know, I have a Kate Spade bag that is a huge tote, like the never full bags, like the huge tote concept. I'll like hold the bag on my shoulder. This one you probably can't, but when you lean over, everything falls out. Hate it. So I'm big on zippers. I don't like the magnetic closure or just the snap because everything falls out all the time, guaranteed. So it does, the zipper, oh my god, the zipper is amazing, but it does have the little tassel. I don't like that usually. I'm glad that it doesn't hang out because of my OCD would drive me nuts if it hung out. Oh, she did. Oh, I was so worried that the inside wouldn't be matching to the outside. That's like a signature with hers. So I love that the fact that the inside is the same as the outside, and this is like the matte leather. I'm not a fan of the pebble leather. It's not my favorite. I do have bags in it. It's just still not my favorite. Oh, check that out. It does come with these like do not eat packets, right? It is a lot smaller than I thought it would be. I'm really curious what will fit in here. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, so it does come with this strap. Now, wow, this is a long strap. On the website, they have different straps you can buy, and so I don't know. I'm not usually a long body strap person, but I have been thinking about how to repurpose my bags so that I can actually use some of them. So they do have the new strap. I'm looking at maybe trying the straps that they have. They're just so expensive. So I did actually buy the original with the mommy pack, but realized I didn't need all of the stuff in the tan because I also want the anthropology bag. Go figure, right? I want another bag. So I had to cancel my order, especially too, they wouldn't all ship until this one came in, and of course I couldn't wait. So I opted to get just the original and didn't actually get like the Hassie pod, all the other goodies. I'm hoping that later she'll have them individually for sale because I already bought the original, the mini, in this, and I don't need another one. So there's that. Strap is really long. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna back up. So I definitely have a small torso and I have really long legs for how tall I am. I don't usually do the crossbody because they're either usually too long or awkward, especially if you have big boobs. The crossbodies are awkward. I'm sorry, but they just are. So I just don't use them usually because I don't like it right here. And maybe the smallest is still long for me, but I'd probably do small. So if you're short and you have short torso, this is the smallest. And then would be, actually the smallest length is good for me. It's not bad. I could see myself putting this over my shoulder real quick. I wish the strap was a little bit thicker, or maybe the seatbelt strap on one of my original or anything would feel better. I probably would, when I'm using this bag, not have strap, because see how it hangs down too much? I would just hold it. But it's not a shoulder bag. I kind of thought it would be a shoulder bag. Thought it would be a shoulder bag because the straps, but it's definitely like a hold. So I wouldn't pack this very heavy, and it would be more of like a day night bag. Maybe if I'm going to Starbucks to do something quick like journal or something, but if I'm going to Starbucks, I'm going to stay a long time, so I'm bringing a lot of stuff. Like, I mean, when I talk about a long time, I've sat there before for like 8 hours. So I bring a ton of stuff because they want to get work done. And that's not going to fit in this bag because the laptop is definitely not going to fit in this bag. I thought they said it was like 11 inches, but it looks really small. There's no way my laptop would fit in there. Oh, goodness. I don't even think my iPad would fit in there. So, yay! The tan carryall, I love it. I don't know where my cell phone is. Oh wait, here. Okay, so cell phone, Harry Potter, yep, I'm obsessed. This is my something Harry Potter. Okay, so I love this. So this right here, I love bags that have like a hidden pocket. Oh, and it fits. So I have an Apple iPhone Plus, and look at that. It just slides right in there. And then it's hidden, and then I don't know, let's see, what else is inside? So take a minute to look inside. There isn't, which I'm surprised, but actually I don't really use it anyways. There's no key fob thing. There's no like tiny little weird claw thing. So putting my keys, I would probably hook them onto the side and not use this. So I wouldn't use this. I'm just gonna admit that right now. So like if I resell this bag ever, it's always funny because people love, I have repeat customers when I resell my bags because I'm really OCD and I don't ever use the straps. So the straps are like brand new and I'm really OCD, so they're pretty clean. All right, so I would never use that, I'm pretty sure. If I did, I could have my keys right here. I could also use the pockets. So they have one small pocket, actually two small pockets, and I love her pockets. It's not the mesh, it's not the like cinched. If you have the Fawn backpack, I don't like the inside because it's like the nylon. This, I like that it doesn't feel like it's gonna break. And then there's just a standard pocket there. Okay, so I have to see if the wallet fits. Oh my God, okay. I love the color so much I had to buy the wallet. It matches all the bags and I was curious where it would fit. So the wallet, ooh, it does. Okay, so the wallet fits in this pocket right here, and actually it fits in both. So they're like the exact same size, which I like. It's nicely there, so, and it matches so beautifully. I also have the black one. I figure I could use that too if I wanted. And does it fit? Oh, and it fits. Wow, check that out. So it also fits in the zipper pocket. So if you want to actually hide your wallet, it fits in there nicely. I love that. I love it. I love it. The inside does, it looks like come out because it's but it's so nicely sewn, I can tell. There are no side pockets. So if you're a bottle pocket person or a side pocket person, maybe it's not for you. It's pretty small. I don't know what I put in it. It almost feels a little smaller than my Fawn mini tote. So the only reason I bought it, because I do have the Fawn mini tote, feels like it'll hold about the same amount, maybe a little bit more. It just is so pretty. The color is my favorite. So I had to get it. It was more of the color and not necessarily the style of the bag, although I really like the style. A quick grab to the drawer, grab it, leave it on the seat. I really like it. I don't think I'd need more than one, depending on what I put in here, I guess. I am really curious what fits in here. So here's my book. I take this everywhere I go. So we would just, oh, see? And so I would definitely stick that in there. I just don't know where I would put it. So this is like a, okay, so what I like, I have random weird. Okay, this is my pens. If I'm taking my notebook, I definitely want my pens. And I would stick that in there also. But I have a notebook. Okay, like this is like really small. It looks so big, but it's really small. I have a notebook, a book, and pens in there, and my wallet, and my phone. And it's like, I probably need to put some hand sanitizer, some like stickies in there, but it's pretty full already. I'm not getting much else in there. Like, that's so weird. My keys maybe, and like can't go anywhere without hand sanitizer. But I guess if I'm gonna go read at Starbucks or downstairs, I would grab my reading bag. Maybe this will be my reading bag. I don't know, sounds weird, but it's what I do. I don't know, hopefully this helps you in making your decision. I would say that if this was large, I would be obsessed with it, because if I could fit my laptop in here, it would be like the perfect bag. I can't fit my laptop in here. I can fit one notebook, one book, and pens. My wallet, it's probably all I need if I'm only gonna focus on one subject. So it would be like I'm going to the coffee shop for a minute, like an hour, and not like an all day thing. If you don't pack a lot of stuff, it might be your thing. Yay! This is the Fawn Carryall, new fall 2020 collection in the color tan. It is smaller than a regular laptop, about the size of a book, really. Is about how big what fits in there. I'm curious. I bought a yellow planner. I'm super curious for it to come and see if it'll fit in there, because my planner is an 8 by 11. If it doesn't fit, I'm gonna be annoyed. Yay! Thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you like it. Please give it a thumbs up, and if you're interested in all my crazy, please subscribe. Yay! Slight disclaimer on this video, because it looks like I just buy bags like every week. Okay, maybe I did for a little while. I don't really like social media, so I'm not on Instagram as much as I should be if I'm like trying to be this bag lady person. I just post when I want. I'm not a fan of Facebook. Sometimes I like to run through Instagram if I have time to kill, but I don't usually ever have time to kill, so I'm never on social media. I do like Twitter because I can rant and rave about whatever, or I like reading, so therefore I like words. I actually buy these bags myself with my own money. I'm only doing this for fun. I do actually use all my bags, and I go through phases. So I'll buy a ton of bags, really excited about them. I'll try to use them all, and then I will purge the ones I don't like. The ones I do like, I keep. The ones I'm currently using at the moment hang on my wall, and then I go through them, decide what I like, what I don't like, and then move on to the next. I'm on here because I think this is a lot of fun, and I would buy the bags anyways, and I think it's so much fun getting something new. I love to organize things, so therefore I organize my life through my bags, and I use my bags on a regular basis every day. I guess I've been watching a lot of videos about social media and how fake they are, and how people don't show themselves really. So I don't know, it bothers me being on here. Yeah, okay. So I can show you at the end if you want. I love to go to public places and just sit. I was never really a person to sit inside my house. So now that we're confined to the house, and the public places aren't open, I definitely have been trying to find different ways to organize myself and my stuff and my things between what I do. I have a lot of bags, and since I haven't been going places, I haven't really been using them as much. Definitely, I'm a mess today. That's something. Woo. Okay. Whoa. All right. All right. Yes. Okay. Oh, I am recording. All right. So, yep, I'm crazy. Okay, so again,